Hey DIY enthusiasts and gearheads! Welcome to samaditech, your go-to source for premium tools and equipment. Dive into our expert selections and elevate your projects from basic to brilliant. The hotel log peeler is a must-have tool for making woodworking faster and more efficient. It simplifies the process of removing bark from logs, saving you time and effort. Equipped with 6 razor-sharp blades, the peeler ensures high-speed, precise bark removal, allowing you to work with greater accuracy. It also features 2 high-speed bearings that enhance safety, strength, and durability during use. One of its standout features is its versatility. It's compatible with most chainsaw models, transforming your chainsaw into a multifunctional bark removal tool. Whether you're working on a large project or just need to prep wood for smaller tasks, the hotel log peeler streamlines the process, making it much easier and more efficient. The Craig KD RV Flip is more than just a drill bit. It's a versatile tool perfect for both woodworking hobbyists and professionals. This 2-in-1 device features a drill bit on one end and a screwdriver bit on the other, eliminating the need to constantly swap tools. The drill bit not only creates a guide hole, but also countersinks for screw heads, while the driver's side is perfect for fastening screws. It's great for tasks like securing trim panels, connecting corner joints, and assembling furniture. With its quick-release mechanism, switching bits is a breeze for any project. The Rhino Cart all-terrain mover is more than just a cart. It's a powerhouse for hauling heavy loads. With an impressive load capacity of up to 2,000 pounds, this cart tackles rough terrain like sidewalks, gravel, and even compacted earth with ease. Equipped with 8 rugged polyurethane wheels, it smoothly navigates over any obstacles. Built from industrial-grade steel and a durable polymer, the Rhino Cart is incredibly strong and built to last, so there's no need to worry about it breaking under heavy loads. It's also highly versatile, with an extendable frame that adjusts from 6 inches to 46 inches to accommodate different-sized items. For particularly large or awkward loads, one side of the cart can be completely removed, making it even more flexible for your hauling needs. This all-terrain mover is perfect for anyone who needs a reliable and robust cart for heavy-duty jobs. The Jokari Quadro is more than just a pair of pliers. It's a versatile multi-tool. It combines 4 key functions in one device wire: preparation, cutting, insulation stripping, strand twisting, and lug crimping. Designed for efficiency, the Quadro works seamlessly with spooled lugs, providing quick and precise crimping. If you need to adjust the lug size, simply swap the magazine. Its ergonomic design allows for comfortable use even in hard-to-reach areas, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting reliability. The Quadro accommodates wire cross-sections from 0.5 to 2.5 square millimeters, making it ideal for both residential and industrial applications. Let's talk about a fantastic solution for those who spend long hours working on their knees. No-Cry professional knee pads. Whether you're laying tile or gardening, these knee pads will make your job much more comfortable. Designed with special foam and gel padding, they feel like pillows hugging your knees, offering exceptional comfort. To prevent sweating, they feature a breathable mesh, and the reinforced straps with military-grade rivets ensure the pads stay securely in place without slipping or twisting during work. The durable outer padding provides protection from sharp objects like stones or nails, while remaining lightweight, so you'll barely notice you're wearing them. These knee pads are versatile and suitable for both men and women, making them a must-have for any tough job. The Worx JawSaw WG320 cordless chainsaw features a unique protective guard that fully covers the chain when not in use, with the blade safely hidden inside. It's the only chainsaw that can cut directly on the ground, making it ideal for handling branches up to 4 inches in diameter. Powered by a 20-volt battery that works with over 75 other Worx tools, it's a versatile addition to your toolkit. The automatic chain tensioning system ensures optimal optimal tension without manual adjustments. And the automatic chain lubrication system, complete with an oil level indicator, extends the tool's life while delivering smooth cuts. Weighing just 7.1 pounds without the battery, it also boasts a speed of 1,350 RPM, making it one of the fastest in its category, ensuring you'll cut like a professional. The Festool 4-90294 FastFix Eccentric Chuck is a must-have for anyone who frequently works in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. This tool allows you to drill and screw in areas that are impossible for conventional drills to access, letting you work right up against walls and in narrow corners. Its FastFix system enables quick function changes with just a click, so you're ready for the next task in seconds. This chuck is compatible with all current and previous Festool drill models featuring the FastFix interface, including the T+3, C12, TDK, TDD, and CDD. The Goldblatt dust-free hand grinder is a game-changer for those who dread dealing with dust during renovations. What sets this grinder apart is its dust-free operation, as it connects directly to a vacuum cleaner, capturing dust as you work. It includes a 6-meter hose, allowing you to move around the room freely without pulling the vacuum cleaner along. Being a manual tool, it offers superior control compared to electric sanders, making it ideal for precise sanding in tight or hard-to-reach spaces. This 8-piece piston ring toolkit is perfect for anyone who enjoys working on engines. Designed by Mardet, it makes engine repair much simpler by allowing you to easily compress and install piston rings without hassle. The kit includes 3 piston ring compressors of varying sizes, 3, 4, and 6 inches, making it versatile enough for almost any automobile engine. The largest compressor can handle pistons with diameters ranging from 60 to 195 millimeters. The piston ring mandrels are made from nickel-plated spring steel, ensuring strength, rust resistance, and long-lasting durability. Additionally, the set features special piston ring pliers made from chrome vanadium steel with a built-in spring, offering flexibility and ease of use for precise, efficient repairs. This toolkit is a reliable, durable choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts looking to streamline their engine work. The Pivot Ladder Tool by Provision Tools takes your standard ladder to a whole new level, offering stability and versatility in just seconds. This tool is not just a ladder accessory, it's a game changer with 5 key functions rolled into one. Whether you need it as a ladder leveler, shelf, stop, elevator, or tool stand, it does the job with ease. With an impressive capacity to support up to 500 pounds, it exceeds the weight limit of most ladders, providing unbeatable reliability. Equipped with a non-slip surface and rubber grips, it ensures maximum stability, giving you peace of mind while working at heights. And though it's perfect for high-slope roofs, it's important to remember it's not suited for metal or tile roofs. Despite its heavy-duty functionality, the Pivot Ladder tool is surprisingly lightweight, making it easy to transport and install. This tool is designed to make your work safer, more efficient, and ultimately hassle-free. The Greenworks 80-volt blower is a reliable solution for quickly clearing leaves and debris from your yard. Powered by an 80-volt battery, it eliminates the hassle of dealing with gasoline or tangled wires. Equipped with a durable brushless motor, it offers longer life and requires less maintenance. Unlike gas-powered models, it operates quietly and without harmful emissions. The blower features adjustable airspeed, allowing you to use low power for lighter tasks or increase it for wet leaves and tougher debris. The package includes 2 5.0 amp-hour batteries and a dual-port quick charger for extended runtime and convenience. The Kale Tying Tool makes securing plants to a trellis fast and effortless, handling up to 45 ties per minute. Ideal for various plants like grapes, tomatoes, or cucumbers. It uses biodegradable wire in a paper sheath. One spool covers approximately 1,000 ties, each capable of supporting up to 8 kilograms. The tool is straightforward to use. Simply attach, press, and it's done. It comes with a starter spool, so you can begin tying right out of the box, making plant training efficient and hassle-free.